Hi, in this video I'm going to discuss how you can hyperlink from a photo, or in other words, be able to click on a photograph in Excel and be able to go to a website. So first thing I'm going to do is get a picture on my screen. I'll insert a picture that I have saved on my desktop. It's a little too big. Okay, so this is really straightforward, and since this doesn't really take a lot of time, I'm going to show you another way. So I have the link. It's just a YouTube link. I have it copied. I'm going to click on the photo, the options for the photo, click hyperlink, link to existing file or web page. Right in there, click OK. That is really all there is to it. Something else you can do is you can, let me show you the option, you can assign a macro. So there is no macro. Normally there would be one to select, but we have to create one. So I'm going to call this linktoweb. And so we type in active workbook dot follow hyperlink and then space, oops, gotta have that space there, address colon equals, and then we gotta have the hyperlink in quotes. I'm going to paste that in there, and oh, I already got the quote at the end, was already automatically put in. So that's that. Active workbook, follow hyperlink, and then the address. So I'm going to minimize that. And let me assign the macro to it to make sure it works. Yep, also got the macro working. So yeah, well, not only can you link to photos, you can also link to shapes and to icons. So let me see, make sure I can attach these. Pretty sure they have the same functionality as photos. So yeah, same thing. I can add a hyperlink in here. Same as the icon. There we go. And oops. For both of these, I can, if I can select it, yeah, as you can see with the shape, I can assign the macro. And what's nice about the shape is I can put some text in there to tell you what I'm linking to. And I can assign the macro to the icon as well.